Konnichiwa. So do you know what day it is today?
Sunday.
More important than that.
Easter.
Yeah, so we have some chocolate from the UK, but since Easter is not really a thing in Japan, we don't have any Easter eggs. So instead, we're gonna make use of our beautiful takoyaki maker again.
Yay.
And we're gonna make something called baby Castella. Have you made it before?
No.
So first things first, your bag of ingredients. Okay, so we need to make the batter. So you need to add 1 tablespoon of warm milk.
1 tablespoon
Yeah.
of warm milk.
Yep.
So should I warm the milk first?
Maybe measure it first. We have this thing too. That is the cutest little. Just how cute is this milk? Tiny.
Tiny milk.
Okay, so 1 tablespoon of milk and mix it with honey with a spatula. So we need half a tablespoon of honey and a spatula.
Haya. Too fast.
Okay, so first concentrate on the milk. I can get you a spatula. Are you okay? Would you like some scissors? What are you doing? Okay.
1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon of milk. So actually this only makes 9, so let's make that 2 tablespoons of milk. Then you're gonna need another egg later.
Then warm it up.
Yeah.
Ja, I'll use microwave.
While you get that, I'm gonna get another egg and I'm gonna get a spatula. No, what the f was that?
Is it 2?
Yeah. So next,
Where should I put?
I think you need to put honey first. So put 1 tablespoon of honey.
Sure. Hachimitsu. 1 tablespoon?
Yeah.
That much?
You're so quick about it.
Yeah?
Yeah, that much. I think that's where most of the flavour comes from. And then add the warm milk and mix evenly with a spatula. This is our first time as well, if you hadn't realised. Maybe you can just put it in there.
And
Yeah.
hot milk.
Yeah,
And
mix.
Spatula.
Next, you are going to need to add egg and beat it with the hand mixer.
Egg.
See? It's difficult with this bowl. Thank you. The bowl. 100% the bowl, right? Okay, and mix it with the hand mixer. Okay, so now you need 60 grams of sugar.
60 grams.
Hey! Okay, so it says whip it until the mixture at a medium speed until the color turns white.
Sorry. Okay.
Okay. So next, with a slow speed, break any relatively large air bubbles. Okay, so next, add the baking powder to the flour and mix. Oh wait, so first
How much?
Alright, you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder and 100 grams of flour.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon.
That's a lot of baking powder.
1 teaspoon.
Castella like this.
Okay. 1 teaspoon.
Maybe this whole thing is just 1 tablespoon. No, I think. Alright, and then 100 grams of bread flour, or just flour.
100 grams.
Yep. Alright, and then mix it. You can mix it with the... Oh, maybe you can't. Okay, don't, that's a bad idea. Alright, sieve it into the egg mixture.
Okay.
So now mix at a low speed.
Low speed?
Yes. Avoid over mixing.
Low.
No, that's low. Shut up. Enough? Okay, it says not to over mix it, so be careful. Alright, now let's make the baby Castella. Hey! Okay, so coat the takoyaki mold with vegetable oil.
じゃあこれを片付けます、一回。じゃあ作りましょう。
Okay. Alright, so you need to coat each, careful, coat each in vegetable oil and then place the batter.
Okay.
Okay.
Half?
So not like really full. Yeah, like that. Is it harder?
No.
Enough.
Is it?
Yes. I don't know which one we're making. So suzu means bell in Japanese, right? So you can make it look like a bell or you can make it look like a ball. I feel like a ball is more suitable for Easter. A little bit more like an egg. But you might have done them too full. Alright, so cover. So when the top is still wet and the small air bubbles on the surface begin to break, combine two pieces together and lightly press them. So like that. This is for like the ball.
Turn it off.
It wasn't on. Oh no, that means the oil didn't heat up. It's gonna be gross. Hey, you were cooking! Oh no. It'll be fine, right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's get a plate while we wait.
Okay.
Okay, so make sure that those, like the top is breaking. Also it says the next part you have to do it really quickly. No. Stop it! Stop it! Do you think they're done?
Not yet.
Oh no, yeah. Ooh, they got big. Too big? Are you gonna combine them or not?
Combine.
Then you need to start combining them now. Okay, so they're breaking, right? Those top bits. Ooh, oh no, it's too much. You're gonna have to do suzu, I think. You can't combine those. This is a baking powder. Eh? Okay, wait. Let's see what suzu says. When the bottom of the Castella is brown, flip the pieces over. So I think maybe you have to wait longer. From the baking powder, right? Put the lid back on.
Too big.
Too big. Alright, so yeah, it's like, ew, it's on the lid. Oh my god, it's like expanding way too much. Oh my god!
Too much?
Way too much. Oh god, they're huge. Oh, burning, burning. Oh no, they're really burnt.
Kusa!
Heck.
Too much?
No time. Oh no. It's black! Castella is not as easy as...
Yeah. Castella is common in the UK.
No. I think it's from Portugal. We don't have it.
Really?
Yeah. It's like a fluffy sponge cake, but this does not look tasty. Oh my god, they're so black. I don't know what to do about this. Doesn't it look delicious, everyone? I mean, I'll still eat it, 100%, but...
Not too bad.
It's pretty bad.
Too much?
Way too much.
これうまそうだけどね。
It should look like that. Well, do you want to try one?
Yes.
Maybe if we just cover it in chocolate sauce, it'll taste good.
うまそうだけどね、これ。
Just cover it in chocolate sauce, it'll be fine. It doesn't even look like a bell either. Are they safety? Look how black that is! Okay.
Hi.
Beautiful.
Hi.
Do you not want to put sauce or something on it? I'll just try it first.
The better one.
Yeah, me too, kind of.
うまっ
It definitely tastes burnt, but it's not bad. Syrup.
うまっ
Oh, it's quite burnt.
うまいうまいうまい
Are you just saying that or you believe it?
It's actual taste.
How can I open it?
苦っ
Yeah, bitter. Okay, should I do like this side? This half?
Okay.
Oh, it just makes it look more. It looks like Marmite. It looks more burnt. I think it's another case of you can't polish a turd.
じゃあいただきます
Okay. This one looks okay. This one looks okay, I think. Kind of.
Not too bad.
Difficult, right? That is way too burnt.
もう一回作ろう
Maybe we should make more.
It doesn't taste like really burnt.
Like, bitter.
No really. A little bit.
Oh, that one was nice. Do you want to challenge yourself to make the ball? Okay. I know we put baking powder in it, but I didn't expect it to rise that much.
Hey. Okay.
Like, even that's probably too much, isn't it?
よし
Okay, so cover it with the lid.
Okay.
Round 2.
I don't think so.
Lid.
Already.
Eh?
Like this, like that. No.
Oh, I guess.
We don't need the lid.
Because that was too quick.
Yes.
Yeah, that's already really cooked, right? But I think you need the lid so it cooks the middle part, don't you? Okay, do what you think.
Takoyaki みたい
Oh, calm down. Did you turn it off?
No. I think it's fine.
Yeah.
来た
Not really. So you can cover them with sugar at the end too. That's like how they're sold at supermarkets, right?
おーよー
Okay, nice. Oh, they're bigger than I thought they'd be. I guess it makes sense. Okay, this is looking better. Much better.
いやよー
Nice. Don't get too excited.
なんか臭いぞ
Burning. Oh yeah.
これもう finish
Maybe.
うわ
You can't really see it.
うい
Okay, I got it.
Are you making Suzu ones?
No. Oh, 綺麗。OK。
Yay.
できました。完成。
Do you want the chocolate one?
No.
Okay. Do you want some Cadbury's chocolate?
No.
Okay. Easter! いただきます。Cheers. Much better.
うまい。
So apparently you can make it with like pancake or hot cake mix too. Good job. So we use Cooking with Dog for this recipe.
Check it in the description.
And let us know if you can do better.
And as always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share. And if you haven't watched our previous video using our takoyaki grill, check it out here.
じゃあね。